Hello, good people. How you was doing? It's your humble girl, Mommy Flourish, guys. Welcome back to this YouTube channel, guys. If today is your first time, please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also, follow me on my page, Mommy Flourish TV. Follow me on this YouTube, Mommy Flourish TV show. Subscribe, please, guys, and share this video, guys. Yes, my people. I want to talk about this our brother. We be say if they do give away this our Nollywood actor. So when he just they do only give away, where all those yes soldier they beat, useless soldier we don't know what they get, what they want for their life. When their life don't even useless finish, then they found they want put their frustration for body. My people, this is so painful because the thing I see the news they shock me because upon this say no be all those Buhari wey dey even put there for them. Buhari no know whether people dey exist for that country. Buhari no know whether he even get citizen for that country. No get anything when they contribute for that country. Okay, people when he still get some money, they still share for who no get. Na still problem. Wetin be the problem? Wetin Nigeria, wetin una want? Wetin una really want for life? Eh? Okay, now the poor man of it they do you they go. They give who you want to give. No. They say carry crowd. Which kind of crowd be that? Yeah? Which okay now they want say na corona. Oh, okay, because of corona, now they say carry crowd. For what? For their own mind now say na another thing the man they do. One and not go even get sense. Why where you did? Where you did? Where you dey you just dey pour those shameless people for that post. Eh? Better people when you go even dey that post, they go dey. Now no one give them. Now all those wicked people with their hearts they back. Now they put for them. Eh? Okay, that our country now where you want settle when? When you want settle. Every day now they give the RIP. Nobody they even ask now. Every day, Fulani go do you. All those yes soldiers when they don't know what they find, they go still do their own. Police, they go still do their own. People when it's supposed to prevent that country, when it's supposed to protect them, they can't give people RIP. Yes. For year now, they not policeman not just carry go shoot. It's not possible. So they are not call your carry gun, they shoot. It's not possible. But why our country be like this? Why? Anybody they problem for this country, now police go rescue and now police also now they go save them. But our own no dey like that. Now country, Nigeria no dey like that. Now that they kill all the immigrants when it did the citizen when it did there, now not just dey. If you not ask them money, they not give you now. Go see that one that day. If they drive, they go. That's in Nigeria there. If they drive, they go. Because they ask them money. Police, oh, they ask them money, no give them. They shoot them. What if do not problem? Okay, now because say nobody go and ask you now, now make una they do all those things una they do. Yes, nobody go ask. So I still believe say Buhari is still Buawa for them. You not get what you want talk. Now make all those nonsense they happen. Now go just still shoot and now not supposed to prevent them. If they problem, they waiting as in they just they as in I don't understand. Now not supposed to help them. Now not supposed to prevent them. Not supposed to protect anywhere the way they take call, anytime they take call now. No, now will not be like that. Before now go take bribe for you, they don't break. It don't break. I don't understand. I don't understand that Nigeria as in get the way it did this time. Nobody they even talk. Nobody who even get voice self to talk. Fear not let them talk. You know let them talk. No, na no go kill and throw away. Where una dey go? This life, na not dey carry am go anywhere. As you dey kill, you still dey die. Na so e reach. You just kill today. Sometimes if it be say your tomorrow you go just reach your turn, you go die, you go comot for this life. For all those yeye police, soldiers wey dey shoot a citizen anytime, any day, anyhow, anytime when they just like them, go just shoot them. I no blame them because now who put them for that position, now I blame. Because you know say that they evil mind that they get. They don't even get pity for anybody. They go shoot and like say nobody go ask. Really nobody go ask. Who won't ask? They will arrest and say the same police go still leave that person. My people, this is sad. Wickedness, na be this. Now wickedness, na it be. Especially this man when they just do. When he just do, you they go. They just shoot him. They just see the kind beating where they would beat human being like them. See the kind treatment where they would give the kind human being like them. This is painful, guys. Please, guys, thank you all so much for being here. Make una be careful. Now we die that country. Make una be careful. Make una be careful. We dey talk. You know me say we don't know what we dey talk. We dey talk now the sake of now when you dey that country. Not be even we know dey there. Make una be careful, my people. Now so reach. So guys, please share this very video. Share this video, guys. Thank you all so much for being here. Thank you all. Thank you. I love you all, guys. Please share this video. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Mommy Florence TV show. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you just watch this very video, subscribe, guys, and share this video. Follow me on my page, Mommy Florence TV. Okay, guys. Love you all so much. Stay blessed and bye-bye. Bye, guys.